Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Audacity in 2026. Whether you want to record your voice, edit music, or create audio content, downloading Audacity is the first step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for the official Audacity website. Go to the official download page and look for the available versions. Choose the version that matches your computer's operating system. Audacity supports major desktop platforms, so make sure you select the correct installer before starting the download. Select the download option and wait for the file to finish downloading. Depending on your browser, you can usually find the installer in your Downloads folder or through the browser's download list. Before opening the installer, confirm that you downloaded Audacity from the official website. This helps ensure you're using a legitimate copy of the software. Once the file is ready, open your Downloads folder and locate the Audacity installer. From there, you can open the file and continue with the installation process. If you're saving the installer for later use, keep it in a trusted location. You can also move it to another computer if needed, as long as the version is compatible with that system. If the download seems stuck, check your internet connection and try again. You can also restart the browser or return to the official download page and select the download option again. After the download is complete, launch the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. When installation finishes, open Audacity and make sure the main interface appears correctly. Don't rush into recording immediately. Take a moment to check your microphone, speakers, and audio settings first. If everything looks good, you're ready to create your first project. You can record a voice, import an existing audio file, or simply explore the editing tools. And that's how to download Audacity. Choose the correct version from the official source, download the installer, and then install it on your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next